876 Creekwood Drive is an absolutely stunning move-in ready home built on an oversized home site that backs to a preserve. This home is ICI's Vienna model, which is somewhat known for its unique circular foyer. The open concept living dining room has two separate sets of sliding glass doors to let tons of natural light into the main living areas of this home. The kitchen has an enormous center island and a large walk-in pantry. I personally love how the master bedroom of this home has two separate walk-in closets and has sliding glass doors going out to the oversized, massive, L-shaped covered lanai. This spacious lanai also has a complete pool bath, which is perfect since this backyard has an ideal amount of space for a pool. Click or call me, Kadie Myers, at the number below for more information. I'm looking forward to helping you find the home of your dreams.